Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export your contacts from QuickBooks Online. This is especially useful if you're migrating to another platform, need a backup, or simply want to manage your client data in Excel. To get started, open your browser and go to the QuickBooks website. From there, head to the sign-in area and log into your account. Once logged in, make sure you select QuickBooks Online since the export feature is available only in this version. Next, go to the Settings menu, which you'll find under the gear icon in the top right corner. From the options, choose Export Data. Now, click on the Lists tab and select Customers. This ensures you're exporting client contact information specifically. Finally, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will generate and download the file, giving you a complete list of your contacts in an easy-to-use Excel format. And that's it. You've successfully exported your contacts from QuickBooks Online. With your data in Excel, you can organize it, share it, or keep it safely backed up for future use.